Not all sprints are created equal, and intensity is the sharpest tool in your programming toolbox. And the way you handle it in the off season compared to in season is completely different. We talk about intensity, we're talking about how close a sprint is to an athlete's max velocity and how much stress that places on tissues and the nervous system. So a 10-meter acceleration at about 85% is completely different from a 20-meter fly at close to 100%. The demand is just different. So in the off season, the goal is adaptation. This is when you can afford more high intensity exposures because recovery windows are bigger and you're probably not balancing matches and practice. I'll often program 2 to 3 high intensity exposures per week, and that could be flying 20s, could be max accelerations, even overspeed work. The point is, you're raising the ceiling. In season, the goal shifts to availability. You can't just chase max effort every session because games already tax the system. So I cycle intensity. Early in the week, I might use sub-accelerations, and later in the week, once recovery is in place, I'll program one near max exposure, probably a flying sprint. So it's not about completely removing intensity, it's about placing it strategically. So think of it like this. In your building, you're gonna have a floor and you're gonna have a ceiling. In the off season, we try to raise that ceiling. In season, we might try to touch the ceiling without breaking the roof, but you're gonna find yourself operating somewhere between the floor and the ceiling throughout the season. You just need to know when to scale back and when to push.